Hi guys, welcome back to Drone in Motion, a channel where we do drone videos and the most relevant drone news. Today we're back with a real exciting video regarding a brand new drone which was just released today by the company Skydio. So as you guys know, Skydio has been growing pretty good in the recent years. They're a pretty good solid company and they've been really trying to get out there and get their product out there. Introducing the Skydio X2 last year, it was a really good drone for them, which was the first autonomous drone which was able to fly and not crash with any obstacles. So that was the Skydio X2. I'm gonna leave a picture of that right here on screen. But today, the Skydio just released a brand new drone, and this drone is the Skydio X2 Enterprise. But before we get started with today's video, make sure you'll help us get to 1,000 subscribers before August 1st. If we're able to do so, then we're gonna be giving away a Mavic Air 2 to one of you lucky subscribers. So you don't wanna miss this opportunity. So make sure you smash that subscribe button and help us get to 1,000 subs. So with that out of the way, let's get started with today's video. So a couple hours ago, Skydio released their first enterprise drone, which is named Skydio X2. So this really came out of nowhere. We didn't really expect this from Skydio, but it looks like Skydio is trying to get into that enterprise market where DJI has been with their Mavic Enterprise series and the Phantom series and the Matrix series. So they're trying to get in there, and also they're trying to compete with the brand new release of Parrot, which is a Part USA drone, which is also a drone that's focused onto the enterprise sector. So it looks like we now have 3 drones that are on the enterprise system, so that's pretty good news. We're gonna have more competition. So remember, the more competition there is, the more innovation we get. So that's great news. So let's talk a little bit more about this drone. So this drone has mind-blowing specs. So let's start talking about its thermal camera. It has a FLIR thermal camera, which is great. Then this drone also incorporates a 360-degree camera, which uses 4 different 4K cameras all around the drone, and it has a flight time of up to 35 minutes. That's almost the same flight time as what we get on the Mavic Air 2. So that's pretty good news. This is a folding design, so I'm gonna leave a picture right here on the screen of what this drone looks like when folded. As you guys can see, this looks pretty slim, pretty futuristic. I really like the design. A different folding mechanism from what we see on the Mavic series, but still like the same idea. This drone also is going to incorporate a 3D scanner, and oh god, this is the first drone to incorporate 100 times zoom. That's simply mind-blowing. So we're gonna get like super nice close-ups from being a very far away distance. So this is simply amazing for surveillance, for the military. This is simply amazing and something we haven't seen in the drone world before. So this is completely revolutionary, so that's pretty good news. So as we mentioned before, this is a brand new line in the Skydio family, the Enterprise line. And it looks like Skydio is going to be launching 2 models. One of those is going to be the Skydio X2D. So this is going to be built for short-range reconnaissance missions for the US Army, and will be used in search and rescue and security patrol missions, okay? And then this is the second version we're gonna get from this drone. This is gonna be the Skydio X2E, okay? So the Skydio X2E will be built for the enterprise world, first responders, civilian agencies. The X2E is built to obtain situational awareness, inspect infrastructures, make search and rescue operations, including nighttime. So because this drone has thermal camera, this is going to allow it to do nighttime flights. Another first responder uses. So let's talk a little bit more about the features of this drone. So this drone is gonna have a range of 6.2 miles, which is really outstanding, which is the same as this little guy right here, the Mavic Air 2, which offers 6 miles, so pretty much the same range. And also, this drone is going to incorporate a brand new controller from Skydio, something we haven't seen in the past before. As you guys know, we got the beacon with Skydio 2 and a little tiny controller, but this controller is really nice. I'm gonna leave a picture of the controller right here on the screen. So this controller looks to be more ruggedized. It's like a tablet integrated with 2 antennas and a joystick. Okay, so it looks really nice, pretty compact, but really solid. So looks like a really nice controller. And let's talk a little bit about its thermal camera. So this brand new Skydio X2 drone is going to incorporate a FLIR boson thermal camera, which is capable of shooting 320 by 256, 4 times the resolution of the DJI Mavic Air 2 Enterprise. So they're really hitting the DJI Mavic Air 2 with this quality they're bringing to the market. So this is really nice. We also talked, as we talked about before, we got the 100 times zoom camera. We haven't seen any drone before, and this drone is also going to incorporate 4K 360-degree vision cameras, which we already talked about before, and they can be zoomed in on if needed. Okay. The brand new Skydio 2 are going to be built with carbon fiber, which is really resistant and really nice. Okay, so this is what we can find in supercars like Lamborghini, Ferrari, Koenigsegg, those kind of cars. They're bringing that into the drone. I really like that they are incorporating carbon fiber into the drones. That's simply amazing. So it's gonna be made out of carbon fiber, and it's gonna be a foldable drone, as we talked before. So it's gonna be compact and easy to transport. The new design is going to also incorporate visible lights. So what are those? Well, the lights we see right here on our Mavics or on any other drone, like the red and green lights for orientation, and IR illuminators into the arms of the drone to allow for clear footage to capture in low light conditions or at night. So this is really nice. It looks like we're gonna have like some kind of flashlights or something that are gonna allow us to get a real nice view of our surroundings and video when we're flying in poor lighting conditions. Okay. The obstacle avoidance is disabled during night flight, and the Skydio X2 series will be available in the 4th quarter of this year. And unfortunately, let's talk about pricing. We do not have any news regarding the price of this drone, so I don't have any idea of what the price is gonna be, but expect a similar price from what we see on the Mavic series. A pretty high price, around 3,000 bucks. I don't know, that's my guess, probably 3,000, 3,500, something around there. That's what I'm guessing at the moment. Now let's talk about the software that this drone is going to operate with. So with the 2 new drones, Skydio has released a powerful new software alongside the hardware. So the Skydio Autonomy Enterprise Foundation builds on Skydio's core autonomy system with powerful piloted assistant features to make flights even safer and more efficient. So that's really good. Let's talk about the 360 Super Zoom. Essentially, this is going to combine the drone vision cameras with a new zoom camera on the gimbal of the drone to allow the pilot to get a 360-degree view from the drone and then zoom in with the main camera on an area of interest. This is something real nice and very revolutionary we haven't seen in the past. This drone is also going to incorporate precision mode. Precision mode has been created to make it easier for pilots to work in close quarters with nearby objects or obstructions. So this is gonna be more focused into where there's like people trying to do like recognition or something, or just checking, for example, power lines, something very common where they need to have precision. Okay, this drone is also going to incorporate vertical view. So the vertical view is going to allow the pilot to look straight up to inspect assets without worrying about hitting an obstacle, thanks to obstacle avoidance system belonging to the Skydio X2 family. Yes, so this is going to allow us to be safe when flying, as this drone is going to give us a 360-degree protection, and we are not going to be having to worry about objects around us. So, what does this mean for the rest? Well, with Skydio officially entering the enterprise market, Pirate and especially DJI having put on notice, there's new competition in town. This is great news. As we talked before, the more competition there is, well, the more innovation we get, the more technology. So those are great news. So probably we're gonna be seeing a Mavic 3 Enterprise in the future. I think that's a possibility. And with the Power 10 FE USA that just launched, we're gonna have some real good competition out there in the market. So that's gonna be it for today's video, guys. Thank you for watching, and as you guys know, we always bring you the most fresh stuff, the brand new stuff that very few channels are doing. We're the first one to bring you that content. So thank you for watching, and any doubt you may have, make sure to leave it in the comment section down below, and see you in our next video.